How to assign content to your learners.
Go to My Content. Select and open the content you would like to assign. Click on Assign.
Choose your learner from the drop-down box.
You can leave a comment here or within Advanced Options. You can set a score goal.
You can select how the algorithm will grade your learner: easy, medium, or hard. You can set a tempo goal. In playing mode, you can choose how you would like your learner to practice with the assignment.
With demo audio, with the metronome, in free mode. Selecting any mode allows them to choose their preference.
Assigning as a sight reading exercise, the learner cannot listen to the music prior to recording.
Assigning as a memorization exercise, the written music will disappear when recording is engaged.
Click Assign, and your learner will receive an email notification of the assignment.